Right now, I have a certain language and time zone set for my Outlook. If I want to go around and change it, then I can go around onto the View tab right here. Then I can go around onto View Settings. Once I do that, I can go around over here onto the General section, and over here in Language and Time, you can see that there's Language and Time section right here. For example, you can go around and select out something else right here. Like let's say for example, you can go around and select out some other language right here. Once you do that, you can go around and change around the date format over here as well, and change around the time zone over here according to how you like as well. Let's say for example, you can go around and set out Yangon time zone right here and click on save, and what happens is that you get the time zone selected right here. You can simply update it and the time zone and the language gets selected right there. I can go around over here and you can see that you can go around and save it, and you can see that the user interface changes out to the language that you selected right here, just like this. If you want to change it back onto English, then you can go around onto settings again. You might not understand the language over here, but you need to go around onto the right location right here, just like this, and select out the language that I want. So I'm just going to go around and select English right here, United States, and then I'm going to go around over here and then save it right here, just like this, by clicking on the button, and the language is updated as you can see right here. And that is how you can set the language and time inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.